Welcome back kanayon. Welcome back to Team Agustin. And once more, we're here again for our another episode of outdoor eating or mukbang. Dito tayo sa labas. Good because today it's windy, mahangin. And meron tayong for today. Meron tayong pako. And pritong galunggong. Okay, uy, away. And of course, with our spring onion, tomato, and lime. Let's start. I'm hungry ka na yan. Let's wash first our hand. Okay. And of course, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating favorite sausawan. Bagoong. Yan. Uy. Naamoy ng langaw. Kaya siya umaaligid. And yan natin ng lime or calamansi. Yan. Okay. Good. Perfect. Okay. Let's start. First, drip mo tayo ng water. And we will go first with pako. Tapon na lang natin dyan. Roll it like this. And then dip lang natin and get some kamatis. Yung kamatis fresh na fresh. Ay! Oopsie. It's from my garden. And pritong galunggong. See? Oh, crunchy. Okay. Kaya natin siya dito. And then see, it's windy today. That's why it's perfect for our outdoor eating. Look, if I'm going to remove this one, see, lilipak yung saging. And with our sili pampagana. And wala ng spring onion. Dip lang din natin siya ganito. Mostly pag nag-uulam ng pako, binablanch nila or nilalaga or nilalagay sa mga fish. But for me, I prepare na fresh. Pag kinaya mo, crunchy. Na. Ating spring onion. More pampainit. No, pag yung gulay, pag yung press. Tamis-tamis siya. May lasa. Ayan, like this. So lang dito. Ayan. Ayos na. Masabi na nga natin. Let's put it in. Press na press. Talamsik pa yung kanyang katas. Doon ka na yun, nagtatabaw. Hindi makakang talbos. Sasalang natin siya dito. Lahat ng ating talbos. Mga ganyan. Okay. Good naman. And let's deal with our banana. Laki. Gandang pagkakahinap niya. Whew. Thank you, Lord, for this yummy breakfast. So, thank you, Kanayon. Thank you for joining us here. So, hope to see you again next time. Goodbye, everyone.